Dad, you see the red light?
I see it.
Are we live?
We are.
We're live! James Doyle here, and we are here at Standard Auto Records. We want to wish you a giant Merry Christmas. We're here with all the staff, and also my buddy David is here. David, come on out. Hey. David, it's great to see you, my friend.
And guess who's coming?
And now we have Santa Claus here as well, coming in.
Everyone's backing off because they know Jordan's driving. It's here for Santa.
I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Thank you, Santa. Santa, where do you get all your parts for your sleigh?
I get all my Christmas parts such as batteries, rims, tires, all of the parts from Standard Auto Records.
Absolutely. We want to wish a huge Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays to all the families, all the car clubs, everybody. David, what do you have to say?
Rams had me working this whole season in the North Pole, procuring lots of beautiful salvage
Nice tights.
for all of our beautiful customers. And you're right, this is about community, about all those car clubs, about all those comments on Facebook, and all the love. And it's right back at you. We're here for you. The team is amazing, and we're here to serve. And we appreciate you all. Don't get a chance to say it enough, but genuinely warms our hearts. Thank you to everybody.
Absolutely.
David's a great leader and pleasure to work with.
Is that true, guys?
Yes!
So
Very
the Christmas
supportive.
bonus hasn't been handed out yet, right?
Awesome.
It's beautiful.
Well, thank you, David. Thank you, Santa Claus.
Thank you.
Thank you to all the staff. All you guys are great. It's what makes Standard such a great team. My favorite yard to come to. Guys, Standard is open all throughout the holidays, so come on down. I want to thank you guys for watching as well, and we'll see you guys a little bit later.
Merry Christmas! Love those legs.
This should be an everyday look.
Everyone, thank you.
Wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh shit. Oh God. Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells rock. Oh man. Alright, here we go. Ho 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 ho. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, let's go. I gotta sell parts.